And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't believe the reason right.
Hello YouTube, this is the glamorous side of running the milling machine. I'm not a machinist, I'm not a milling machine expert, but the glamorous side is I don't have computer aided jack shit. I have a computer that's got a camera attached to it in front of me recording me doing this. It's definitely a learning experience, and it's nice to be able to cut a piece of metal down without having to use a grinder all freaking day. I have a few bits, and as I'm talking to you with my safety glasses on and my safety hood, I'm slowly turning the wheel because what's that song? Spin that wheel? Oh yeah, spin the wheel. I'd love to have like a computer, what is it, what do they call them, DRO on here? But I don't think I'm at that stage yet. I don't think I need one. I'd probably never use it. And that's what I want to do. Apparently, there's a whole lot of people there who do a lot of manual machining. I'm not that precise. I didn't get classes on how to measure and stuff. You know, I probably should have went to school. This would have been fun. But hey, I don't got time for this shit. Go to school for it. There's a lot of, what do you call it? I have to say, people who went to school for this, I have much respect for them. It's a lot of work. There's anybody who thinks, you know, there's nothing to machining. Hey, you guys know a lot of shit. Because I mean, when you're making stuff from scratch, that's a lot of work. Here I am just cutting one little piece, and now you got these fancy machines. You just drop the program in, push the button, and I think on the machinist group they call them button pushers. But there's still a lot of people out there that, I mean, they do shit from scratch. All I'm doing is hogging off some material to make it thinner. Like, I could use a grinder, but it's probably faster. But how accurate would it be? How nice the job would have been? Ugly looking. Could have used a file. That would take like 40 days and 40 nights. And probably could have survived the apocalypse before it was done. So, you know, I had to buy a few machinist tools, obviously. I gotta buy some parallels, about the wrong size, but I'm using them anyway. I bought a $60 machinist vise, used. It's not the biggest vise, it's not a Kurt vise, but it fits on my machine. I bought a cheap King milling machine for doing small things. That's a job. Basically, people use whatever the hell you can get, because, you know, not everybody's rich, not everybody can afford $60 for a freaking used milling machine vise that some guy used as a, what do you call it, a woodworking vise. I'm almost done. I got about maybe 2.5 inches left. If I could show you what I was doing there, I'm just turning the wheel here. Turning the dial. What sucks is I got old shoes on, and all the chips go flying in my shoes, so I gotta like air them out. I don't know how you guys can deal with all the metal chips all over me, but I guess after you guys do this years and years, there's a solution for everything. I know wearing rubber gloves helps, but stupid me, I didn't put any on. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the whatever hell else I attached in here later on. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like button, the subscribe button. The hell with the stupid little bell. I don't believe you. You don't have to get notifications on a new video. And check out some of my friends listed down below in the little credit thing here. Enjoy. Thanks a lot.